My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site halfnetworkm2.com. It's a malicious site that actually may lead to the installation of malware. This is why it is correctly classified as a malicious site. This malicious site attacks Google Chrome and other browsers, and it tries to make you execute this malicious file and also to make you subscribe to the intrusive advertisements. So be very careful and don't click on the allow button as these pop-ups might suggest, and also don't install what they promote. I recommend you to scan your computer additionally with the help of reliable antivirus, for instance with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application and start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other infections which could still possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.